Yes, you can feel the tension in the air. You can feel everybody getting excited because we are on an uptrend, and day after day, week after week, since the beginning of August, things are getting pretty damn good. But I still feel like there is a huge event which is going to act like a big catalyst that is still way underestimated, way undervalued when it comes to its direct role to the AMC price movement on the short term. And I want to cover that in this video, guys. It's about AMC getting added to the MSCI Global Index Standard. I mentioned this, I think, at least 2 times since last week because, guys, I mean, whether you believe it or no, whether you don't want to understand it or no, whether you get it or no, this can push the price to a new all-time high. Hear me out. The MSCI equity indexes, every 3 months, we have what we call a rebalancing. Pretty much like you have a portfolio and you will say, okay, on the last 3 months, on the last quarter, I will look at all my stocks, okay? And depending on the performance of each stock, I will decide which I want to keep, which I want to add some more money to it, or which I want to sell and replace to something else that I believe might, help me have more money, more performance, more gains. That's what we call rebalancing. So these are benchmarks. And if you are managing money for clients, if you are an investment managing firm, if you are, investing company, you will use these models as examples, as benchmarks to pretty much show your clients that, hey, look, on the last 3 months, we outperform this benchmark, okay? That's why every single stock that the benchmark is holding, what we call passively managed index funds or funds, for example, or assets, will pretty much buy whatever these benchmarks are also holding. And on today, August 31st, actually, when it comes to the MSCI Global Index, there were 3 additions when it comes to the MSCI World Index here in the US. And we have DoorDash, food delivery, AMC on the US, and SITC International Holdings, Hong Kong-based company. What does it mean? It means as of today, these changes have been made, and AMC, alongside these 2 other stocks, have been added to the MSCI World Index. You can see it here, MSCI Equity Index August 2021 Index Review. So this pretty much means every fund, okay, which is passively managed, meaning people just want to buy whatever the benchmark is buying, will then make sure that their fund, as of tomorrow, starts also buying those 3, AMC, DoorDash, and SITC International Holdings. The word on the street, rumor is that we may expect on this to actually bring over almost 25 million additional shares of AMC being bought out. Well, you can ask, how in the heck will 25 million shares be bought on a single day or on a single week? Well, if you think about it, this is a world index. It means you have companies around the world pretty much following what this benchmark will do. So can you find 200 or 2,500 companies around the world buying 1,000 shares worth of AMC, or 250 companies around the world buying 10,000 shares worth of AMC? I mean, it's pretty easy to find around, okay? So 25 million shares to be bought, guys, I can guarantee you this can help push and sustain the trend we've been seeing so far for the last month. I mean, for the last month, we've been up almost 58%. 58%. And I guarantee you, a bunch of traders, professional traders, Wall Street guys, know what is actually coming in, might already have been positioning themselves in order to get in and, make some quick bucks. Because last time Tesla or Moderna got added to a similar benchmark, a similar index, man, they jumped significantly the very next day. So, I mean, if we hit $48 here, back to what a trader said earlier today on Charles Payne, show, if we hit 48 is a couple of cents away. This can be pushed all the way back to 60. And I guarantee you, the short sellers who get in here around maybe 30.29 will definitely have the pressure to cover if they haven't done yet already. So brace yourself for new impact.